To start or stop Intel Air Content Protection HDCP service in Windows 11 Home, right-click on Start menu icon, and then select Computer Management. Next, click or tap Services and Applications drop-down menu, and then select Services. Scroll down the screen, find Intel Air Content Protection HDCP. Then right-click on Intel Air Content Protection HDCP service, and then select Start to start or select Stop to stop. Intel Air Content Protection HDCP service enables communications with content protection HDCP HW. Okay, select Start to start or select Stop to stop. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.